Welcome back to the shop. This is, I think it's part of episode 20. It's probably just going to be me, unless we make videos when Dad gets back. But he doesn't get back until Sunday, and today is Tuesday. He's in Texas on a work trip, so yeah. I'm going to be taking stuff out of the interior, putting it in a pile, vacuuming it, maybe, and if I get to it, scrubbing stuff down because it's gross in there. Let's get started. This is a very bad habit of mine. So I thought I had gotten the bolt. I had not. I broke it. Well, sorry, Dad. Something else for you to do. As I expected, I didn't get as much done as I had hoped. But I'm very bad at taking videos, in case you didn't realize. But got the 2 front seats out. So they're over there. I'm heading to bed because it's like 9:30. Gotta get up early, so good night.
The very next evening.
I flipped up the back seat and found this. I'm very grossed out. Ugh, that's gross. So this is the current state of the floor underneath the back seat, and there used to be a mouse nest there, and I forgot to take a video when I took it out. So sorry guys. Yeah, I was really grossed out, so I forgot to take a video. And I did say that I was gonna vacuum later, but I'm grossed out and I'm gonna vacuum before I continue. So let's get started. So it's not perfect, but it's different, it's better. There was like a million mouse craps, and it was really gross. So I'm happy that it's better. Yay! Also, here are some really nasty things that were in there. This, I'm pretty sure, is a penny. Because it like made a metallic noise when it bumped against this really nasty quarter. It like looks like it has crap on it, which is nasty. There's like a nail, something, I have no idea what it is. Zip tie, trash, and 2 flathead screwdrivers. So, oh, and this little Allen wrench like thing. I would pick it up and show you, but I don't have the gloves on anymore. So yeah, there's some really gross stuff under there. There was also a cigarette, but I did not pick that up. I vacuumed it. So yeah, really gross. So again, not perfect, but much better. Feel much better about it. Now I really want to tackle the up front, but that's not really important right now, so just gotta stay focused. Anyway, there wasn't as many interesting things on this side, but I'll show you in just a second. This side there's just like trash. I have no idea what this is. I feel like I ought to know what this is, but I really no clue. Like, what in the world? So yeah, and there's like plastic and the sticker came off. So, oh, and there was a not nasty looking penny. So yeah, that was about it. Overall, I think it was a pretty productive video, especially for it being just me. I pulled out the seats, I pulled out some random junk, I vacuumed a little, pulled out a mouse nest. Sorry I didn't catch that on camera. That's why my dad usually does it, because he remembers most of the time. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping out and watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and share it. Yeah, thanks.